a giant of the ocean, stranded, fighting to breathe.
We're here with you. Stay strong, big friend.
Command, what's the whale's condition?
It's critical. Get here now.
Base, we see the whale. Starting assessment.
Removing external parasites. Step 1 to stabilize him.
Perfect resonance. Cluster freed.
That's one free site, next sector.
All right, first extraction, nice and clean.
We need to clear this section before the tide comes in.
Pass me the longer scraper, quick!
Watch the parasites near the pectoral fin.
Breathing's dropping, we're losing rhythm.
Keep the mist high. Its levels are dropping fast. Stabilizer ready. We're going in low and slow. Respiration's climbing. Hold it steady.
Stay with us, big buddy. We've got you.
Cooling system's active, Lurshane. Keep the mist constant.
Suction stable, clearing the clusters now.
Clearing surface parasites, layer by layer. Team Nova in full coordination.
He's taking it, slowly stabilizing.
The drone's thermal imaging is critical, showing us the precise location of the infected zones.
Vitals stable. He's ready.